Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best G4free chair is probably one of the most versatile and portable seating solutions you'll find for outdoor adventures. Whether you're a hiker, camper, or simply someone who enjoys a relaxing day at the park, this chair promises comfort and convenience. Its lightweight design and easy setup make it a breeze to carry and use, while its sturdy construction ensures durability on various terrains. Get ready to discover how this chair can enhance your outdoor experiences. Number 5. iClimb Ultralight Folding Beach Chair. This chair features a square frame for enhanced stability. It also includes large, detachable anti-sinking feet, perfect for use on the beach or soft ground. This design prevents it from sinking, ensuring a comfortable experience. Made from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and ripstop Oxford fabric, it's both ultralight and heavy-duty. It can support up to 330 pounds, and the reinforced back webbing ensures long-lasting use. It's also corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. The chair folds up compactly and comes with a storage bag, making it easy to carry. It's ideal for various outdoor activities, from beach trips to backpacking adventures. It's perfect for anyone seeking lightweight travel. It has a breathable mesh back and a deep seat area for added comfort. It also includes a cup holder and a side pocket for small items. The setup is quick and easy, and a video guide is available. We stand behind our product with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. We are committed to providing you with a reliable and comfortable outdoor seating solution. What we like. This chair's anti-sinking feet are a game changer on the beach. If you're tired of sinking into the sand, this is the perfect solution. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, and the ergonomic back support ensures you can relax in comfort. If you like beach days or backpacking, this chair is a must-have. What people say. The chair is very sturdy and stable even when I didn't use the stabilizing feet. This foldable chair was very comfortable when I sat in it with the perfect recline. The best thing about it, it was easy to put together, though it took me a moment to figure out how to put it together. Number 4. ARROWHEAD Outdoor Oversized Folding Camping Chair. This chair is perfect for camping, tailgates, and sporting events. It offers comfort that rivals indoor chairs and sofas. You can relax anywhere with it. It includes a convenient cup holder and a storage pouch. You can easily keep your phone, bottle opener, or lighter within reach. It's designed for your convenience. The chair features a heavy-duty steel frame and rugged 600D canvas fabric. It measures 33-inch L x 29 W x 37 H when set up and can support up to 330 pounds. It's built to last. Setting up this chair is incredibly easy. Just take it out of the bag and unfold it. You'll be relaxing in seconds. ARROWHEAD Outdoor provides lifetime support from Atlanta, Georgia. They are ready to assist you wherever your adventures take you. They are always there for you. What we like. This chair is built to last with its heavy-duty frame and durable fabric. It's also incredibly convenient with a built-in cup holder and storage pouch. If you're looking for a comfortable and easy-to-use chair for camping or tailgating, you should consider it. What people say. This thing has stood up to 40 nights of camping this year without showing wear. It is also shockingly comfortable compared to a normal camping chair, and it gives you real support. Love, love, love this chair. I bought it so I had something I could curl up in for nights outside. I can accomplish that perfectly. So comfy and well made. Number 3. Overmont XL Camping Chair, Heavy-Duty Padded Folding Chair. This oversized chair provides ample space and exceptional support. It's designed for larger individuals and can support up to 400 pounds, ensuring a comfortable seating experience for everyone. Indulge in ultimate relaxation with this padded chair. It features soft, high-density cotton filling, providing exceptional support and comfort for hours, whether you're at a picnic or camping. Built to last, this chair features reinforced double stitching in high-stress areas. The chair legs are designed with an angled tilt for improved relaxation, offering a more comfortable experience. This chair includes an oversized cup holder and a large cooler bag for your drinks. The side mesh pocket provides easy access to personal items, making it a versatile choice. Perfect for your backyard, fishing trips, camping adventures, or outdoor events. It combines portability with luxury, allowing you to enjoy comfort wherever you go. It's a must-have for anyone seeking comfort. All Overmont products come with a 1-year warranty. Shop with confidence, and feel free to contact customer service for any inquiries. Your satisfaction is the highest priority. What we like. This chair offers an oversized design and luxurious padding for maximum comfort. Its durable construction ensures it will last for many outdoor adventures. If you need a comfortable and supportive chair for camping or outdoor events, this one is a great choice. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It folds up small and fits easily in a backpack. The chair is sturdy and comfortable. Number 2. G4free Folding Camp Chair, lightweight and durable. This is the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for hiking, camping, or a day at the beach. The chair features a new square frame design made with aircraft-grade aluminum alloy and durable Oxford cloth. This ensures it's sturdy and can withstand heavy use. With a wide back and an adjustable pillow, it provides excellent support for your neck and back. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable seating experience, even for extended periods. Setting up the chair is a breeze thanks to its foldable design. It also includes a side pocket for storing your essentials and an armrest for added convenience. Despite its lightweight design, it can support up to 385 pounds. The breathable mesh net keeps you cool and comfortable. It's the perfect choice for anyone seeking comfort and convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with a 120-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty. It's the ideal choice for anyone looking for comfort without the bulk. What we like. This chair combines lightweight portability with a sturdy design. The removable pillow adds extra comfort, and the easy setup makes it a breeze to use. If you're looking for a comfortable and convenient chair for hiking or backpacking, you should definitely consider it. What people say. Excellent build quality. Easy to assemble and disassemble and comfortable to use. It fits in my trunk and is light to carry. At just over 4 pounds, this is a comfortable chair for car camping where space is limited. I can fit 2 in the front of our Tesla Y plus a hatched tent and tables. If you have ever had one of these folding chairs, you know the seat can be difficult to stretch on the frame. I think this is one of the easiest because the square base can be folded while the seat is stretched. The bottom pockets are reinforced for the tube ends and don't have to be held open. Plus they come with head pillows. This chair packs in a duffel and a medium-sized suitcase and is all it claims to be. I ordered many of this style of chair, at a wide range of price points, and did a side-by-side sit test. The decision was easy. Using this for respite while competing at swim meets, this chair is low enough to be able to extend my legs, has comfortable arm support, and best of all supports my head and neck. The adjustable headrest is comfortable and durable and not something many chairs have. It's super easy to set up and excels at ease of slipping the fabric on the frame, where others require some serious torque. Just use this daily for a 4-day meet, and this middle-aged, 5 feet 7 inches less than 140 pounds person couldn't be more satisfied with this chair and its value. Number 1. ARROWHEAD Deluxe Folding Camp Quad Chair. This chair is perfect for any outdoor activity. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping, tailgates, or sporting events. Made with heavy-duty 600D Oxford polyester canvas fabric, this chair is built to last. It can withstand various weather conditions, ensuring long-term use. Keep your drinks cold and essentials close with the armrest cooler and storage pouch. It can hold up to 6 cans and provides convenient storage for your phone or other small items. Enjoy your favorite beverages with the built-in wine glass holder. It securely holds wine glasses, martini glasses, or any stemmed glasses, keeping them within easy reach. The insulated cup holder keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature. It fits glasses, cups, and cans up to 4.5 inches wide, ensuring your beverage stays cold. The back mesh storage compartment provides extra space for your belongings. It's perfect for storing hats, sunglasses, snacks, and other loose items, keeping them organized and accessible. What we like. This chair comes with an armrest cooler, a wine glass holder, and an insulated cup holder. It's designed for ultimate relaxation and convenience. If you enjoy tailgating or relaxing outdoors with a drink, this chair will elevate your experience. What people say. Great quality product. Height was perfect, sits pretty tall. The material on the seat is soft, making it comfortable. I like the little storage for drinks. Very sturdy, lightweight, strong and reliable. Very comfortable and easy to pack and fold back out. Holds weight well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.